Madonna's more blessings and prosperity. Happy holiday. So today we're going to talk about Madonna and her Jamaican boyfriend. So this guy that I saw, I post a video with Madonna and her Jamaican boyfriend on my social media page a few months ago when I heard that she was with a Jamaican guy. And I have seen some comments before I take that picture, right where I take that picture, I repost it on my page and was just celebrating them, because anyway, I see my people, them, like, my Jamaican people, them, and them, they somewhere where, it's Jamaican is a little place. I always try to be happy for my people. Not everybody feel this way. But when it come on to being around success, even though it's not his success, but he's a part of it now. I was happy for him. I was happy for him. I saw some comments and they were nice comments. And I can tell that is Jamaican saying those things. Come on now, when you go on the internet, you see so much. You can know when a Jamaican is commenting because sometimes they put the patois in the comment. And I read some of the comments them about the guy and how he was him can't use him phone and how she treat him like this, so she treat like a little boy. Um is because of money, why him do this, and money make him do that. All right. So him is a man, right? And this is just my view on this whole topic because I'm putting the photo right beside the video. So I've been putting their photo. If you never see that story, I'm gonna put Madonna with the Jamaican guy. I just saw another picture, like an update recently picture where they're in the snow, like where they at, and it's cold. And the way how the guy look him seems very peaceful. No, a man is a man. And if him gonna be there for the likes, then that's up to him. What I don't understand is we as a Jamaicans, why when we see people, we have to say something negative. Like it what is in that in the culture that needs to be corrected? Like, why is it that you see somebody on social media, why you have to jog that person? All right, this is a guy who maybe him on social media and him see some of these comments that you guys are putting under his video. Sometimes people are going through things and it can be a hard mental stuff. And they see some of you guys coming that trigger them to do things to themselves. Like a lot of people go through that mentally. It's not a lot of people can take it. So if Madonna tell him he can't use him phone at a certain times, they are saying that she's insecure and him just there for the money, blah blah blah. As me said before, it's up to him if he want to be there for the money. All right, look here now. This is something when we really want to share in the middle of this. What we don't understand is that why is it have to be such norms for us Jamaicans to go under somebody post and just discriminate them? Like, why would you be mean to somebody who don't know you, who have never done anything to you? Like, why is it that you can't see I'm blind, ear and deaf? Why is it that you can maybe, if you can't say good, not say nothing? What about those terms where, you respect other people's feelings? Like, where we are going wrong? Why social media? Why people make social media controlling them? I don't understand it. Like, why is it that it's so easy to go under somebody's cake and say the cake is dirty and disgusting? Why is it that somebody put up thing on their social media page and you're going to tell them, oh, that is not how we do? That is not. If I am cooking and I see people when I post my food, they're going to tell me, oh, that is not how we do. That is not how curry cook. The curry don't cook this way. The curry don't cook that way. Hello, everybody cook different. I used to burn curry when I was cooking. And I stopped doing that. I just season up my curry from overnight, let it stay on my chicken, let my pot well hot, throw the meat, the chicken in the pot, and keep stir frying till I cover it up. Why not curry where I cook so long? Me no see no in the way I cook so long. Chicken I cook 35 to 40 minutes. I know 10 minutes me cook it. What in a one curry where I cook so long? Everybody cook them food different. So it goes to say Just respect people's feelings. Like the man must know what him want. He must know what him want. And if him got it for the money a Spanish town him born, them say a Spanish town him come from. I don't know. I heard that he was from Spanish town. He could be from the garrison. He get this opportunity that he can live a better life and be free. That no mean say him a go wash our panty, and if not wash him panty, make him wash it because he take it off. And if a that him a do, there's nothing she could not do to him where him can't take. I don't believe in like she's doing things to him where him can't manage. I'm sure she not making heat him poop. Because when she take the picture with him, the way how him look, how them look together, yeah, picture tell 1,000 words. And yeah, people do fake things. But she seems happy, him seems happy, him don't look stressed. Him no look stressed. If me and my husband no good, me I tell him me not take no picture with him. Everybody different still. But every now and then you see one picture with them look very much happy. I'm putting the picture on the screen and you can look for yourself. I don't see nothing wrong with that. Like, why is it that we Jamaicans have to be doing each other so on the internet? Like, what is it going to take for us to realize that tearing down people doesn't help you? Like, where's your heart? When you're doing things like this, where's your heart towards humanity? Things and time change so much. What is wrong with people? It is so sad when you go on the internet sometimes. I was watching a video not too long where this person was like talking about Shabada and Shabada, how them come off with the story. It was so like, it sounds so nice and polite. And when they get down in the nitty-gritty and start to tear him, we all know same tear down people. But me I tell them, give a story of him, how nice he was and how everybody was looking forward to him and coded and answered, and then now then gone on another story and there. I was like, my grandmother used to say, um, make sleeping dogs lie. No trouble one, no trouble you. You know? Sometimes we not for trouble one, no trouble we. Sometimes. And I'm not saying that people can't have their opinion, but when you're gonna have your opinion where you tear down somebody, it's not right. That's not right. Sometimes the opinion need to keep to itself. I'm not gonna say I don't go on the internet and see things and it disgusts me, of course, because I don't like to see people doing that them kind of stuff. But I don't know the story, so I decided to just go into the comment section to see what people have to say. And them drag this boy, them drag him, them drag him, them drag him. The whole time I looking at the comment section, it's like you barely have good things to say about the guy. If Madonna take one phone, maybe I feel better health. As long as he get to communicate with him immediate family, sometimes him really don't need anybody else. Stay in higher heights and relax him brain. Because sometimes you go on social media, it really just stress you out. So for him now, in a this spotlight, he maybe want to see what other people are saying. So you see phone make you and break you. You hear me tell you? Phone and social media make you and it break you. So sometimes it's better for him not even depend on the media and just live him life. Because if you get up every day and just live your life and keep off of the media, sometimes it help you, but at the same time you learn a lot from the media. So it's have it good and it bad. But when we did our grow up, we never have no media. We never have nothing. And then we did all right. We did all right. We did the back of time, but it was more fun. No, oh my gosh. People are like take people like our media. What can go so? I never hear this. Madonna's? I don't know. Me, me see the picture a while ago with Madonna and the guy, and me say, me I come do a little video on it because I have seen the comment them and me just want to know what is it. Say if nobody ever screenshot one picture with me, one comment with me, I do people bad over the years. Me on social media. Me on social media I think from like 2008. If them can screenshot me tearing down somebody upon me, I'm gonna like them to send it to me. Because me think about other people's feelings before me put, especially people where you don't know. You see, if somebody come at me and deal with me certain way, me we clap back if me feel like we clap back. But if a person no trouble me, they don't know me, you don't know them, why you have to do them so? Me cannot see through it. It puzzle me. Because every time you look on somebody picture and somebody comment, I think about what I'm going to say if it's going to hurt that person. Because if I do that, it can actually cause them to have a bad night, have a bad day. So you have to consider people's feelings. And as I say, if somebody hurt your feelings and you decide to clap back, that is a total different thing. And when I say clap back, just speak your mind. You know? Maybe express yourself, how you feel about it. That don't mean say you're going to hurt somebody. No. People can say things just like how people clap at me and tell me, say, I'm so curry cook. Or I must go do me here because I'm on social media. I tie up my head and I must go do me here and them something there. Them something there no bother me still, because I know some cook, and guess what? That's one of the main reason why me married. Because me love cook. And my husband love me food. My kids them love me food. My friends them love me food. So if you never eat from me, you don't know nothing. You don't know nothing about me. Even though you see me put one pot on fire and put it on, you're not going to stay 2 hours for me done cook. Me curry chicken and me dumpling and me yam and me banana and me whatever. You're not going to stay till me done cook everything. Me hour and a half. And you're not going to see everything how me cook. Me just give you a little clippets of what me do. So at the end of the day, you can't dictate to people. Jamaican people need to stop doing them one another. So let me tell you, some of us, bad mind. It's bad mind that cause a lot of this. People just envy. Like, why in our culture, why we have so bad mind towards each other? A bad mind and jealousy, I cause a lot of the outbursts on the media. Bad mind and envy. That's why you can't put everything out there. You can't show them your whole life. You can't do that. A lot of people who get consistent bash on the media, too, is a lot of people who show majority of them life. Those are the people that get most attack on the media. They show a lot. So people just sit on one side and just pray upon them for bad things come along. The media is good, and guess what? You have to pray over yourself, pray over your home, pray over your children, and pray over your life, because you're out there in the public eyes and people just pray upon the negative for you. They just pray. And you have a lot of people who come out and say, them see this and them see that happen, them see this and them see that happen. Sometimes I feel them see a mouth. Why you have to come on the media? If you vision something about somebody, why you have to put it out there in the public so you see that happen? Reach out to them in their inbox. What me not understand with these prophets where come out and say, oh, then see this happen to this person, and then see this happen to this person. Why you don't go in somebody inbox if you give them the message and then don't take it? Leave them alone. You come and call up them name in the public, oh, this a go happen to them, that a go happen to them. It's like, the power is in the tongue. Pray down things upon people upon the media. Like, you know, to stop it. Reach out to the people, them individual. And if it happen, you can't say you never reach out to them. All you have to do is pull it up on the date and say me did want them. After, if it tend to happen, say me did want them. You stop go up on the media and say, oh, say, Naya, me see this happen to you, me see this happen to you. No, come on. Put it in your comment section, your other vision. And this is what you see in your vision. Be very careful. Be very careful. That's not right. The power is in the tongue. I bind up every negativity. Bind it up. Pray. Go down on your knee. Fast. Ask God for protect and cover you from some of them people here, because they just come out like a showcase. Stop calling people name. I'm not for stop it. Anyways, pick up on yourself, Madonnas. More blessings and prosperity, and enjoy the rest of the holiday. Bye-bye.